Tip 6. Tip 6. Verb to be. Past tense. Verb to be. Past tense. Affirmative. I was. You were. He was. She was. It was. We were. You were. They were. Verb to be past tense negative. I wasn't. You weren't. He wasn't. She wasn't. It wasn't. We weren't. You weren't. They weren't. Verb to be past tense interrogative. Was I? Were you? Was he? Was she? Was it? Were we? Were you? Were they? Verb to be past tense interrogative negative. Wasn't I? Weren't you? Wasn't he? Wasn't she? Wasn't it? Weren't we? Weren't you? Weren't they? Tip 6. Exercise. Put these sentences in interrogative form. He was born in Brazil. Was he born in Brazil? They weren't born in Spain. Weren't they born in Spain? I was at Italy. Was I at Italy? We weren't in England. Weren't we in England? It was a dog. Was it a dog?